Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Grey on Tech TV, and today in this session, we will be continuing on UI UX development series for Appian. Today, we have a special component to discuss that's file upload component. File upload component is, in one line definition, it is used to allow the user to upload a file in a form or a task. So, when you're having form layout, you might have seen this file upload component. So right now I need to clear the code, then will be able to upload the component. But file upload component looks like this, where we can upload the files, and the file can be of valid document type or valid valid file type. There can be various extensions, and we can put validations on the top of those extensions so that we can configure which type of extension we want to allow the user to upload to. So as you know, like every file that has been or that will be uploaded in a through an Appian interface where the user will upload the form and submit through submit button like with the basic approaches, it will be stored in a particular location, right? So that particular location should be a folder which we have to provide the path that whatever the files will be uploaded for this application will be a part of this particular area. So I have created UP uploaded docs inside my application. So let me show you. Like we are having a folder, and once we filter the folder, you'll be seeing the UP uploaded docs on the top because I recently created this. Now, as you can see, all the folders are nothing but document folders. Now they are a part of Knowledge Center. So inside the Knowledge Center, we are having a folder that is a document folder called UP uploaded docs. Inside this folder, we will be targeting to upload our docs. So let me tell you the configuration of file upload component. Label position, instructions, help tooltip. These are common input uh, parameters for any function. The main thing is target folder. Now you have to provide a document or folder, a path to document or folder where this file upload field will be actually uploading the docs to this. So you have to provide the path. So what we can do, we can create a constant which is actually pointing to this document folder so that we can upload the file inside this folder. So it is just like pointers in C++. We are using pointers to provide a reference value that this is my target place and you can upload the file here. Now, there are various other properties with respect to file upload field like file names. You can use a static name or you can use dynamic name with respect to creating your own custom name like using fvbank file.name, and these properties you can create your own file names. If you have a static name, you can put a static name, and if you don't put any configuration, then what will happen? The default uploaded file name will be used as a name inside the uploaded folder once the file will exist here. Now, when you will upload the file through file upload component, obviously the file is nothing but a file. But inside Appian, as per the object oriented principles, Appian treats the uploaded files as an object too. So if you see this document folder, this is an object in Appian, right? If you see the properties, it is having its own ID and UUID, right? Similarly, once you upload a file inside a document folder, that will also be treated as a individual object having its own ID and UUID. So you have to just provide a path to the target folder. You have to provide the file name, static or dynamic, file description, static or dynamic, whatever you want, similar to what we have here. Next, we are having maximum number of selection. So what are the maximum number of allowed files once the number is reached? So if you are uploading any particular file and you want the file upload field to validate the number of inputs the user can upload the file to. So what you can do, you can put maximum selection as 1. So only one file will be uploaded, allowed to be uploaded. Next, display value. So display value is the list of document the files associated with this field. I'll show you some properties as practically because you won't be able to understand everything theoretically. So we'll quickly dive into the practical session to understand what's connected to what configuration. Display value, it is a list of document the file associated with this field. Save into, it is a list of save. Once the file upload is done, can you update multiple variables with this? Yes, you can do multiple updates using save input to. And required field is like, obviously, do you want to make it required a mandatory field? Yes, you can make it required. Once you are not following once you have submitted the button and you are not following the required, so you can put a custom required message as per the configuration. Is it disabled, or is there any condition on which you want to make this field disabled? So you can make the field disabled on a particular condition. You can put custom validations on the basis of size, name, extension. So this is the validation. It is a list of text string. Validation group. Validation group is a separate topic. Again, I told you, like, validation group is a part of button validations. So we'll understand validation groups later. It is nothing but pointing to which group this validation with this component belongs, so that the validation can be grouped together. Next, we are having button style. What kind of style you have to follow. Then we are having button size. Then we are having accessibility text. Like, obviously, for screen readers, you are having certain like parameters where you have to provide a text value for this component. Next, we have visibility. So do you have any condition on the basis of which this field has to be popped up? If yes, then you can choose visibility, that yes, on the basis of when the user logged in user is belonging to this group, then only allow the user to upload the file. Then we can put the condition. Upload methods. It is like when you use this interface in Appian desktop, like for a desktop application, for this interface, do you have a different behavior? When you're using it for Appian mobile application development, it is a different behavior. So that is why we are having upload methods in the condition when you are developing the screen for mobile only. Then we are having like signature, camera, choose photo, choose file. Like, there are various configurations that we can set up. On the basis of that configuration, your mobile will actually invoke the target browser. So if you select choose photo, so you will, if you select this property choose photo, then your gallery will be allowed to be chosen. If you select choose file, then your file manager will be allowed to choose. If you select camera, then camera will automatically pop up, like on the basis of upload methods. So this is nothing but configuration which is telling the mobile operating system that this is something that you have to do. Then button display, like, determines if the file upload will display a button with a label or an icon. So it is just kind of a cosmetic configuration. Placeholder. So once the file is not uploaded, it is just like a, like, fresh like upload field, then you can choose placeholder. Then show virus scan message. If you are putting as true, then it will show you that yes, scanning for viruses during the file upload. Obviously, the virus is something that by default is catered in Appian, because Appian, it is nothing but a platform as a service. So when you upload any file inside Appian environment, the different type of checks are done. And if you want to show virus scan message, then you can show that yes, scanning for viruses. And yeah, this is it. So basic things are done. Once again, I'm getting a call. So coming back, we have to practically see some codes of file upload field. So we are having some examples with some validations and stuff. So we can choose the file upload field recipes from here to understand the implementation. So let me choose a good example. Okay. I think there are some validations and basic things. Let me pick the top recipe. Let me clear this out and let me paste the code. So in the recipe itself, it is given that replace this with a constant of type folder in your environment. So I have to put a folder constant. So let's create a constant pointing to this document folder. So new, let me go here, new constant updf and uploaded files. It will be type pointing to folder. And what is the document folder that we have to point? So it is UP Knowledge Center. Inside Knowledge Center, we are having this document folder called UP Uploaded Docs. Now, once the constant is set up, it points to the UP Uploaded Docs, right? Let's click on create. Now we are ready with a constant, which is actually pointing to a document folder, right? it is pointing to this. Let's check once again. It is pointing to document, or so right now it is folder. Yeah, correct. Let's go back here and see and replace with the constant name. So what we have to do, we just have to change the name of the constant. First thing. Next, if you don't set submit parameter true, the signature will not be uploaded. So we don't have to take care of the signature right now. Forget about this right now. And yeah, the good thing to notice is when submit true, this is a very important property. If submit true, then the upload will happen. And if you see, this is a part of a form layout because form layouts are good with uploading files using file upload field component. So everywhere in the documentation, you will see form layouts only. So if you want to see that outside a task or outside a start form, how to upload it, so you can check this link and we can explore it later. So as of now, we can see that we have set up everything. We can upload the file now. So if I see my download history, I have downloaded a file called this one, like a testing file. So where I'll go to my interface, I'll put a file here and my file is uploaded. Right now you can see that there is more options to upload more files, but it is set. I have not put any validation here. That's why it is allowing me to upload more. So maximum, if I put a property called maximum number of selection, selection, let me put SELEC, yeah, max selection. If I put as one, then only one file will be allowed to be uploaded, right? So let me hit submit and let's see. I can see that my file is uploaded, and as my constant reference was correct, so my file is present here. Now, if I explain you more in depth, then you can see that in the properties, this is nothing but an object in Appian which is having its own ID and UUID. So each document of any type, of any valid document type that is being uploaded inside Appian, which is a part of a document folder, obviously. So document folder is also being treated as an object in Appian, as well as the document which you are keeping it inside it is also being treated as a object in Appian. And objects have its own ID and UUID. So this is something that I want to showcase for today. We will explore more about uploads. We will do more complex designs. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. This is a really good motivating factor for me. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down any in explanations or scenarios that you want me to showcase in the next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.